y'all, is your hair feeling dry, rough, brittle, and crispy, no matter how much product you put into it? Well, I got just the thing for you. Stay tuned. So, all you need for the Bentonite clay mask is Bentonite clay, a bowl, a plastic spoon, and apple cider vinegar. You can find the clay from either Amazon or the vitamin shop if you're lucky and it's in stores. That's where I got mine, the last one, A. So, the texture of the clay is powdery until you mix it up. So you want to be sure to use a plastic spoon or a wooden spoon, because if you use a metal spoon, it'll do something with the properties of the clay and it just wouldn't have the same effect on your hair. So I don't have a specific number of scoops I use. I just use my judgment, and then yeah. So I like to use the apple cider with the mother. I don't know what the mother means, but that's what all the YouTubers say they use, so I use it too. So I just add a few drops into the mask until I get that consistency that I like. If you need to add more, don't be afraid. So sometimes you might add a little too much. That's okay. You just gotta balance it out. There we go. She's thick. Yes. So once you get that perfect consistency that you like, you can start to put it into your hair. Now wow, look at that. Curls in my 4C hair. Truly, this mask clumps your curls together, hydrates your hair, and gives it such a nice soft feel. So I washed my hair before I put in the clay mask, but you don't have to, because the whole point of the mask is to deeply cleanse and purify your hair. So right now I'm gently detangling my hair as I put in the mask, just to make sure I don't cause any breakage. The Bentonite clay is good for removing all of the toxins in your hair so that when you put products in, it actually penetrates the hair shaft and works the way it's supposed to. And the apple cider vinegar helps with rebalancing the pH levels in your hair so that your hair is healthier and shinier. So I just finished up the last one. Now it's time to put on my shower cap. My head is too big. So I put on 2 shower caps. Thumbs up if you have that same problem, y'all. So then I just left it on for about 30 minutes and I rinsed it out, and my hair was then softer and stronger. This is great to do if you just took out a protective style like I did, or if you just find that your hair has been really dry. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, and have a great day. Bye!